Do you want to fix a ACE center error in Tarisland? Okay, we're going to solve this problem. Okay, the first step for the fix this problem is we're going to here, okay, and go to your PC, okay, and go to the C, okay, unit C, and here we are going to this carpet or this carpet, okay, depending your PC. Okay, I'm going here, and here you go to the first in your carpet of Tarisland, okay, you go to of the Tarisland, okay, and you go to the point exe, okay, of Tarisland, right click properties, and okay, and click here, okay, properties, and here you go to the compatibility, and you click here and select the Windows 8, okay, this in the point exe Tarisland, okay, you applicate and you accept, and here, okay, you go here and go to the carpet Steam, okay, going to the point exe of Steam, go to the properties and go to the compatibility, and you select this, okay, this option, okay, run as administration, okay, applicate and accept, okay, and you go here Tarisland, okay, and here you run as administration, okay, and you solve the problem. Bye bye.